Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2011 Lincoln MKX. This MKX is featured in a blue paint finish. Under the hood we have a 3.7-liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 5 on our gray leather seating surfaces. We have heated and cooled seats in the front of the vehicle, as well as heated rear seats. Dual powered sunroofs with a power sunshade, GPS navigation, a heated steering wheel. We have blind spot monitors. Outside of the vehicle, we have chrome accents with our chromed alloy wheels, as well as a powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, chrome finish door handle. We have power mirror controls. We also have the controls for our power locks and power windows. Storage in the bottom of the door with our speaker and wood trim across the center. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, driver's seat memory with 2 memory settings on a wood trimmed finish. All of our lighting controls next to that, as well as powered liftgate button, power tilt telescopic steering column. On the side of the driver's seat, we have our powered settings and the seat itself finished in our gray leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel to start, we can see our display cluster. We have digital information systems on either side that are customizable for whatever preference you have. Left-hand side of the steering wheel, this is all of our left-hand side driver information system settings. Below it is our cruise settings. We can see we have an adaptive cruise with our gap control. Right-hand side of the steering wheel is our controls for the right-hand side information system, as well as all of our hands-free controls. Some wood trim on the steering wheel, and the rest of it is a leather finish. Push to start ignition just to the right. Moving to the center, we have our infotainment system. So if we go into entertainment, we can power it on. You can see that we have our AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, as well as a USB, Bluetooth, SD card, and AV input, so quite a few features there. To go out of it, we have our home button in the bottom, climate controls, navigation, and phone on our main page. Don't have a phone connected, so we'll go to navigation, GPS navigation throughout. Going out to the climate, we have our full dual zone climate, can adjust our driver and passenger temperature. Also have a heated and cooled driver seat, as well as our heated steering wheel, and the passenger seat on the other side. CD player across the bottom. Then we have our Seek volume control, which is a swipe across the bottom, powered for our radio, and tune on the right-hand side. All of our climate controls across the bottom with our front and rear defrost. Also have AC as well as max AC throughout, and our fan control across the center. Below it, we have more of our audio inputs, as well as our SD slot and 2 USBs, some storage space. You can also see our key in there currently. On our keys, a remote start, powered locks, as well as our power tailgate and alarm system. Then we have our shifter in the center, 2 cup holders. We can also cover them up with our center console to have only one accessible. Then we can lift up just lightly and we can open into the center console with deep storage. On the front is a 12-volt plug. Moving to the passenger seat, heated, cooled, finished in our gray leather and also powered for the passenger. On the driver overhead, we have our universal garage door opener with our 3 settings. Above the rear view mirror, we have our dome lights on either side. Tilt for our sunroof, as well as our power sunshade and power slide on the sunroof. We have a sunglass holder as well. Then we have our sunroof. We have one in the front of the vehicle, as well as one in the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. Moving to our front tire and rim, we have our chromed alloy rim with our Lincoln center cap and an all-season tire. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, chrome finish door handles with a keyless entry keypad on the front. All the way around at the back, we have our chrome badging, as well as our windshield wiper and our dual exhaust tips with our trailer tow package. Power liftgate that we can just simply press on and can open up the back of the vehicle. Back of the vehicle, we have our cargo cover. Underneath, carpeted floors, and if we lift all the way up, we have a storage space, as well as a full-size fifth tire. Some additional audio in the back of the vehicle. Power folding second row seats with a 12-volt plug. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our manual on either side, or our powered release inside the back of the vehicle. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, our heated seat control for the driver's side seat, power window. You can see we have some wood trim on the door as well. Storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Two front vents in the back of the center console with a 12-volt plug on the bottom. Carpeted floors throughout the whole vehicle. Seats in the second row, we have our gray cloth and a 60/40 folding split bench seat. In the center seat, we have our handle that releases down for our center console. Two cup holders in the center of it. Fold the outboard seats, we have our controls down the side. You can see it's a 60/40 split, as mentioned earlier. You can also fold them through the back of the vehicle on the driver hand side. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2011 Lincoln MKX. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.